everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with hashtag Two Crafters One Design, hosted by myself, Mo Creations, Girliest Cards, which is Gloria, and You See Why I'm a Diva, which is Lisa. Each week we bring you a theme. This week's theme is s'mores. Next week's theme will be plants. And we will be focusing on, if I'm not mistaken, My Creative Times plant dies. So this is going to be our set that we're focusing on, or whatever you have that similar to. Please go ahead and enter our challenge, and I will also be entering this week's challenge into hashtag autumn in August, hosted by Sybil B, as well as hashtag Satmorn Makes. And so those are the collabs that I'll be entering in this week. There's a lot of them out there, and like I said last week, please go ahead and try and join in on the fun. All right, so this week I am using My Creative Times wood plate die, and I'm also using this We Are Memory Keepers die, and I don't know which one this one is. But anyways, this is the die that I'll be using. Yes, I pulled out my electronic die cutting machine. So the number that I have for the s'more fun is 61418. And then the s'more ingredients came from Silhouette as well. And that number was 41230 if you'd like to pick those up. And here is how my card turned out. I like it. However, I wish I would have done all white, I think, on this part of it. But anyways, I still like how it turned out. I did add some glossy accents on the chocolate. And I took my Copic marker and just added a little hint of color on the marshmallows there. And then I did ink up that graham cracker in the back as well. But really like how it turned out. I added some gems on there. And love how that looks with this background die. Really cute. There goes the inside. And love how it turned out. But if you have the time this week, make sure you enter into our collabs. Like I said, I'm entering into the 3 collabs because I think s'mores is perfect for autumn. And so that's what I'm also using for Sybil B's challenge as well. All right, so that's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone, for stopping by. You all have a blessed and crafty day.